Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's Saturday and time for another love bite. Let's see what your love life is all about now, Taurus. What's going on and if there's a message for you here today. And Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. So take what works for you, just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Taurus, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. This one. All right, let's put this card here, Taurus. And put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Taurus, is healing. So whatever you've been thinking about, whatever you've been worrying about, the angels are sending you a lot of healing to kind of get better or make the situation better. I don't know what the situation is, Taurus. We'll have to open the cards and see why you need this healing right now. Okay, so let's put this card here, Taurus. Let's open your cards and see what's in it for you today. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support you've been sending to the channel and your lovely comments and your likes, and for keeping me motivated to get these videos out for you. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful, feeling very blessed. Thank you. And Taurus, of course, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, be part of our Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So this is going to be a simple 9-card spread, Taurus, and we'll do some dialogue messages as well. Your longer readings have already been put up. More are coming. Your next read is on Thursday now. So, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Now, Taurus, bottom of my deck, I did see the Justice card in reverse. Okay, so there is some imbalance going on. Either things are not fair or you're worried about maybe something legal here. And no wonder your healing card is here as well. So let's see what's going on. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Four of Swords, Hierophant, Page of Swords, King of Wands, the Hanged Man, Nine of Swords, and the Chariot. So yes, somebody here, Taurus, this could be you, wanting to take action but not really clear. You don't have a sense of direction, I think, right now, and it's making you feel rather restless at the moment. Maybe there is a commitment which is maybe in trouble, or there's a lack of commitment. There's something regarding a solid commitment here which you feel is... Maybe there's a lot of gossip around this as well right now, but I do have a King of Wands and the Hanged Man. So things are stuck right now, Taurus. You really do want to come out of this overthinking and stressing and not being able to sleep at night energy, but right now movement is halted for some reason. Let's take some dialogue message cards, Taurus, and see what's going on. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Okay. And let's take a few from here. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. If they could say something to each other now, Spirit, what would that be? Thank you. And I'm going to take a few messages from the heart as well. All right, thank you. Okay, we're good to go now, Taurus. Let's see. I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allow it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me as much as you should worry about fixing yourself. And no wonder the Hierophant card is in reverse and a lot of restless energy. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness to how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared because it scares the F out of me too. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically, and in dreams, I long to talk to you again. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you are still the one. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? With one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. So, this could be one relationship getting over and one new relationship starting here, Taurus, from what I'm feeling, because the first card says, hey, I think you broke me. Don't try and fix me, but fix yourself. And then it changes here, right? I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Maybe this is the past person now, asking for forgiveness. You're all I desire. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. So I have no clue what's going on, Taurus, in your life. You would know. But there's some kind of an imbalanced relationship here. Things are not right. Let's clarify these cards and see what they have to say. Ace of Wands, Spirit. See, here it is, the Knight of Cups. Maybe feeling passionate about a new love coming towards your way, Taurus. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, but not clear how to move forward because of a commitment which is probably not at its best right now. Or maybe having to lie to your current partner. I don't know, but this is lack of truth and clarity regarding a commitment. And maybe that's the reason, Taurus, there is so much of restless energy going on around you. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Four of Swords. I think you've been juggling for some time now, and your restlessness is only increasing day by day because maybe you've been going back and forth, back and forth. I think you're coming to that place where you know that you'll probably have to drop something. You have to drop something and choose love here, whatever makes your heart sing, right? So there is a Hierophant in reverse here. What's that, Spirit? Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Yes, dealing with somebody who, normally this King of Pentacles is actually the spouse card, right? The man you marry and who takes care of you, provides for you, is abundant and perfect partner actually. But this card came out in reverse, Taurus. So this is somebody who's very ungrounded. They kind of never make you feel stable, or they are kind of more concerned with their material aspect of their life, maybe using material things to take precedent over a relationship. And that's the reason this marriage is kind of in jeopardy right now. So what's this Page of Swords, Spirit, in reverse? Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, there is a bit of sense of maybe feeling, what will people say? unable to make any decision or don't want to make any rash decision right now because maybe you don't want to live in regret. You want to do things the right way. You don't want imbalance. You want to do things the right way. You don't want people to talk about or gossip about whatever's happening. You don't want to create a big fight out of it, and nor do you want to live in regret in case you're making the wrong decision here, right? So, who's this King of Wands, Spirit? King of Wands. King of Wands. Somebody is holding on to you quite tight, or maybe you're holding back from somebody. Somebody wants truth and clarity. Maybe this is the other person who's looking for truth and clarity towards you, and this is turning into a tower moment for you. You really don't know what to do, which way to go, and right now you're trying to protect yourself. You're trying to hold on to whatever balance or sanity you have, Taurus, because you don't want to do something that's going to backfire on you. You don't want to do anything which is sneaky or lying or cheating. That's going to eventually backfire on you, and you may have to live in regret, That's the reason the Hangman is there. I think you're still trying to get some kind of clarity. You don't know what's going to give you victory, what's going to make you happy. You're stuck also, I think, because you're right now dealing with somebody who is quite a dictator over you. Always, maybe demoralizes you. Always makes you feel like their way is the highway. They want to win at any cost, right? This is the magician in reverse that you've been dealing in, and maybe this is the person that's been keeping you stuck. Okay, now this person is mean-spirited. They just like to be the boss. They'll do anything, hurt you, make you feel bad about yourself, as long as they get what they want. And yes, this is the magician who's always trying to make you feel not good enough. You never find victory with this person. And that's the reason, I think, Taurus, you've been stuck for some time. You really want to get out of this place where you can't sleep at night, you're overthinking, you are always stressing about things. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, this has come to a point, Taurus, that you're almost contemplating that if this Ten of Pentacles, a happily ever after, this commitment, this marriage maybe, has to come to an end, then so be it, because I can't take stress and tension anymore. But right now, the Chariot is in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Chariot in reverse for Taurus? You're really looking forward to a fresh new beginning here with the Fool energy. Yes, you don't want to work towards something from the past, it seems, right now, Taurus. You are wanting this fresh new journey, and you want to move towards your Two of Cups. Right? I think you're halting something, or at least you are hoping to, or planning to, or deciding to, and take a fresh leap of faith and move towards another soulmate maybe who you feel is your Ten of Cups. So one more card for the Chariot in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Chariot in reverse at the moment? Why is the Chariot in reverse at the moment? I think you've made up your mind. I think this Chariot in reverse basically says that you're kind of putting an end to whatever this past situation was, which didn't make you feel good. I think you are moving towards a passionate new beginning for yourself, or that's at least what you want to. You want to take a fresh leap of faith into the new. You want to head towards your soulmate who's actually going to give you what you deserve, and you're getting out of a stuck place, or at least the enlightenment is there now that that's what you need to do, Taurus. Right? Because you think you're in a very imbalanced connection at the moment. You want to heal your life, you want to make your life better, and of course this won't be for all you Taurus out there. No, I mean, all of you are not planning to do this, but some of you maybe, somebody needed to hear this, and please let me know who it's resonating with, so it really helps me, right? And there are chances that there could be a return as well for some from the Chariot in reverse. I don't know where that card's disappeared now. Yeah. So for some people, yes, there could be a return going back. But most of you, I think, are dreaming of that new, passionate new beginning. Okay. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Let me know if it resonated. Till next time, then, your next reading is on Thursday now, the in depth one. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.